So I finally have some time to play with my December daily stuff. This year I got the main kit and the star kit. I actually filmed an unboxing video and then I just forgot to upload it. I was just in the middle of school and I didn't have a brain for anything else. These are the same gems that I always use, but I got this one from Ellie Studio, and I also got labels, and I got alpha stickers with numbers. I also have, these are from past year. I got these cards. These are all from Ellie Studio. I got 2 packs of these because I thought that they were so helpful. These are just ledger, and that was a gift. I haven't opened it, so I don't know if there's something there that I will use, but I don't have that many cards. I'm going to use this to organize my cards. And so you can see, this is what I have. It's not much. I got this from Purple Fawn, and they're having a sale to clear out their warehouse sale. When are you focusing? There you go. So I love these, and then you can staple them and makes them look extra puffy. These are from Purple Fawn too. More puppies. Alpha stickers with numbers. Washi tape. This is from Pip 6. And I have labels. You know that I love labels, and I'm going to print my journaling on sticker paper. Okay, so we got these. They also have numbers. I got holiday stickers from Pip 6. These are not specific kit. They're just a bunch of them that I put here. I also have more in my binder that I need to look for. These are so cute. That is all from my studio, and these are very adorable too. Okay, so I have that. Show you this. I got this from Michaels a few days, like, no, not days, weeks. Like, oh my god, I've lost concept of time. So I got the 12 by 12 pack. I got the 6 by 6, and I got this one that is like it's vellum. Okay, let's see if I can. There we go. Kind of cute. And this one is just so me. It's so colorful. Perfect. And these are old. It's an oldie but a goodie from Citrus Twist Kits. And these are, oh, this one is also from Citrus Twist. And I have the uppercase one too. And these are Studio Calico. Very important to add numbers. I love these. Let me see. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is grab this kit and what I consider to be most important. I'm gonna put it in this organizer. I have a bunch of these, so this one gets too full. I'll just grab another one. But I also have the December daily card. I have to move the washi to my desk, and that flower from We Are Memory Keepers has a bunch of die cuts, and then I have some things to make shaker pockets and ribbon, and then I have a bunch of stickers and more shaker pocket items. And here I have all the paper. It's a mess, so it looks like a lot, but it's not really a lot. And then I have printables too. I have this awesome die. It's one of my favorites. Everything's used with paste. I don't know if you can, there we go. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now while I drink some coffee and watch a video. So these are the essentials that I will be using mostly. If I need to do any shaker pocket or do anything special, then I'm gonna go to my cart or to my tools. So I'm gonna use this vellum that I'm gonna put in my cart because it's too big to leave it on my desk. This one I showed the 6x6, but here it is. And here I'm gonna keep the ephemera of, you know, packaging things that I used during December. This is for adding extras. And I'm gonna use this in my, the first page. I'm not sure yet because I thought that I had that number. This is 2025, but that is from the advent calendar and I did not get the advent calendar. And the rest is just mostly from last year. Let me show the back. And I'm sorry that I filmed this vertically. I thought that this was going to be like a 1-minute video on Instagram, and it turned into a way longer video. Okay, so I have some pages, bright colors that I want to use, stickers. The papers from the kit this year, the stamps that I showed earlier. Here I have some die cuts and cards. I don't know why I left this here. I should have put them with the others. We'll see what I do. This is all from LA Studio. The paper pass that I showed earlier. This one from Lawn Fawn. It has silver in half of them, so I don't know if I'll be using the silver ones, but they do have ones that are just white. This one is a little busy even for me, but still very cute and I love the colors, so I might use it. Okay, I have more stamps, purple font items. I think this is a mix of LA Studio with the Feed Your Craft. So this is a sticker book from Simple Stories last year. And I was gonna divide it by colors that are more traditional, with the Ali Edwards stuff, and then the brighter colors. And I almost did 2 of these Antonio's trays that are from IKEA, but I decided against it. I'm already going to use a lot of items, and these are all from the main kits, and some of them are part of the start kit. Let me see, like this, these little match boxes that are really cute. And here in the back we have, these are kind of old, but I bought so many because it's one of my favorite things. And these are old too, but I'm about to in this little sheet. Okay, I'm sorry that I'm all over the place. but I don't have much time to like sit down and do a nicely edited video. It kind of sucks because I miss it, but these are the items that I showed earlier. All of the LA Studio stickers that I got from the sale last year. I got stamps. These were the only two. No, I got this one too. I do regret not getting the die because Ali has been doing really cool things with the dies, and it's just a bunch of other random stickers, little word stickers. I love those. Some of them I showed earlier. This is an old Studio Calico kit. Love this stamp set. It's from also Studio Calico. And some pages that I printed. I'm doing 10 by 8. I have no idea where my album is. I think it's in my closet. That's kind of the most important thing. And I almost forgot about it. Okay, so here I have some Studio Calico cards. These are the LA Studio ones that I showed earlier. These are filler ones. These are for journaling. And they're from past kits and printables. I didn't buy the Net Creative Bubble kit this year. I just didn't know how much I was going to use it. These numbers from Studio Calico. And these I made with my silhouette, and then I embossed with my Sizzix. And just some extra items. We'll see. I have these, which are a bunch of, you know, scraps and die cut shapes. And these, and of course washi tape. And I need to get even more. And I also want to get more stickers from my stash. Let me see if I can show this one because it's kind of tricky. Again, sorry about that. He says this is my second Pip Sticks album, and everything is separated by like animals, plants, retro, places. Okay, this last part, it has the holiday stickers. So I was thinking about just leaving them here. Just that way it's just easier to find items. But yeah, so far this is all I have. It's probably way too much, but if you have seen my videos, I do love embellishing. So I think it's just right. I'll be back to just share. I'm not gonna do process videos. I really don't have the time. Sorry about that. But I will be sharing snippets of like my process and the things I've been making. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye.